The Cap-seller and the Monkeys. There was a cap-seller who was going to sell his caps in a village market. He was going through the forest carrying a basket of red caps on his head. He got tired in the heat of the sun and thought of lying down under the tree for some time. He put his basket on the ground and fell asleep. There were monkeys on that tree. They came down and one by one took all the caps from the cap-seller's basket. Then they climbed onto the tree. When the cap-seller woke up, he was shocked to see his basket empty. He searched for his caps everywhere. To his surprise, he saw the monkeys wearing them. He thought for a while and started throwing his cap down, and the monkeys threw theirs too. The cap-seller collected all his caps and put them back in his basket and went away happily. The end.